This car is Piano V200 and Vito, you can say another word. So now V class also you can say. And in this car I'm going to replace engine mount, you can say another word, engine support. This car is rear wheel drive car, so it's easy to remove the engine support, engine mount you can say, because front they don't have differential and axle shaft, so you will get the more space to remove easy engine mount. So in this car you can see another engine is the 274, it's a inline 4-cylinder engine. And for removing the engine support, just you have to make the space right side is a little bit difficult, because we have to not too much space. This bracket also you have to remove for right side, because engine cannot move upward when you are pushing this engine. Also this line, that air line connected to turbocharger to intercooler, you have to disconnect, because this one is the making too much tension when you are pressing upside of the engine. So little things this we have to think before doing the mounting, because something is happened. So it's a good idea to protect the things. Also all bolts are 16 mm, so bolts are easy to remove. The problem is the when we are pushing the engine up to make the space to remove the mounting, that time just we have to make little bit space for mountings. So left side is very easy. Bolt is also removing very easy, and this side also you will get the space for left side engine mountings. And after removing the bolt for left side, just pull out from this outside front side. So this side yes, now it's come out, and it's easy. Like compressor side, just pull out and you can check this mountings. How is the condition is the definitely very bad. So the main things in this car is just to remove the two bracket from top, and also air intake line, that one connected to turbocharger to intercooler. So these are the main things that you have to think before doing the job, because maybe this pipe will broken, and if you have time also you can disconnect this rubber cover.